go to bed, the lights are off, it's time for sleeping. I'm dozing off, the only sound I hear is your breathing. And now I feel the world of naught just calling me to sleep. Our bed is large, we have the room to toss and turn. Two pillows piled to keep my head raised through the night. And still I always seem to be walking through the night, 'cause you hit me. And for the love you have when we both go to sleep, it's tested every night, I swear. 'Cause I snore loud at night, you kick me on my thighs, the bruise is really bright, it's bloody sore. Your feet are cold, you put them on my legs to warm them. I don't say no, 'cause partners wanna help each other. So here I am, I give you everything you think you need. You sit and read when you should try to fall asleep. Now it's on me to make sure that my sleep won't disturb. But it won't work, 'cause before I came to bed I had a beer. And for all I try to stay on my belly, I'm rolling over on my back. Of course I snored last night,